Hi, my name is David, and I've had cataract surgery with Dr. Tai at Athena Eye Care in Mission Viejo. The reason we came to Dr. Tai, both me and my wife, is that we were recommended to Dr. Tai by my wife's retinologist, who works, I guess, on the back half of the eye. And she needed work done on the front half, and she recommended Dr. Tai. Well, in the interim, I needed cataract surgery after Dr. Tai took a look at my eye. And she gave me some options, but recommended a multifocal, I guess you would call it, implant for the replacement of the cataracts. It was expensive, but it was a situation where she was offering me the best outcome, and that was really important to me. The outcome has been absolutely fantastic. I've been thrilled with my vision after the cataract surgery, and I'm very happy with Dr. Tai and how she walked me through every single step. I should also point out that the retinologist gave me 3 recommendations for eye surgeons to do the cataract surgery. I asked her if she would have her father, who she said she loved dearly, have his cataract surgery done by Dr. Tai, and that retinologist unhesitatingly said she absolutely would. That was enough for me, and the results have been fantastic. I couldn't be happier.